All right. So let's see what is the message for my collectives today. I can see that most of you are alchemists. You really are, because you have gone through a lot and you have been waiting for a real, you want things to now finally show up. I can see most of you are very concerned about some finances, some financial issues, or maybe a professional issue that you are actually thinking about. You've gone through many challenges, many challenges. But let me give you this good news that you've been heard. You have been heard, and you have been heard always. It's not only in this birth, because you have been, you are an old soul. I can see that very clearly. All of you who have landed on this video today, this is an assurance that you are an old soul and you are an alchemist. You've gone through, you've made, you've just collected all your sorrows, all your sad times and, the challenging times into something wonderful. You've really made that recipe. So congratulations. And if you are very concerned about your work, I would say just the only thing that you need to just keep in mind is do not think, you might be thinking obsessively towards any idea of yours or towards something that you really want to manifest and you really feel that it should happen now. It has been long awaited and all of that. Yes, things are already happening and they are happening even beyond your expectations. So just keep that in mind. You might have thought, आप इतना ही सोच रहे होगे कि ये शायद ऐसे हो जाए तो अच्छा होगा, वैसे हो जाए. But I can see very clearly things are going to be so wonderful for you. आपने उतना सोचा भी नहीं होगा जितना कि यूनिवर्स आपके लिए तैयार करके बैठा है. सो प्लीज होल्ड योर हॉर्सेस. थोड़ा सा और अपने आप को एक परसिस्टेंस, जिसको जैसे यूनिवर्स वांट्स यू टू जस्ट ट्रेन योरसेल्फ मोर ऑन योर फेथ. ओके, keep up your faith. If your concern is about finances, please do not worry, क्योंकि finances are going to be very much in line now. बहुत जल्दी आप अपने आप ही एक stable position पे. Most of you, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि some of you are actually feeling that एक vibe आपको अपने आप से feel हो रही है already, right? So just do not think obsessively about whatever the idea is. बहुत ज्यादा cling होके मत सोचो कि ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, and please result से stick नहीं होना. Because you might be thinking of a certain, let's say, A kind of result, but universe is actually waiting for you, manifesting for you something like A++ or something like that. Getting my point? So आप जितना सोच रहे हो उससे कहीं ज्यादा universe आपको देना चाहता है. तो आप अपने limitations में बिल्कुल मत सोचो. यूनिवर्स पे छोड़ के चलो, परमात्मा पे छोड़ के चलो. जस्ट कीप योर फेथ हाई, कीप योर फेथ इन योर डीड्स एंड कीप डूइंग द गुड डीड्स. थिंग्स आर जस्ट इंक्लाइंड. आप वेरी सून आप बहुत स्टेबिलिटी देखने वाले हो अपनी लाइफ में. वेरी सून आपको चीजें आगे बढ़ती हुई दिखाई देंगी एंड यू विल बी वेरी स्टेबल. एंड ये एक लॉन्ग टर्म आपके लिए एक लॉन्ग टर्म पकड़ लेके आएगा, एक लॉन्ग टर्म प्रेजेंस लेके आएगा, एक लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोडक्टिव आउटकम है ये. माना ये एक दिन के लिए नहीं है. दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन नाउ. इट विल लास्ट विद यू. ओके, ये आपके साथ रहने वाला है. एंड हो सकता है कि कुछ लोग तो प्लान्स बना सकते हो कहीं घूमने जाने का भी, कहीं बाहर जाने का भी, कहीं ओवरसीज का भी कुछ लोग का प्लान बन सकता है. और हो सकता है उसी के बारे में ही कहीं आपका प्लान बन रहा है और आप वही सोच के ऑब्सेसिवली थिंक कर रहे हो. तो लेट मी टेल यू, yes, it is on just in your in cards. Okay, so yes, and some of you I'm seeing that might go for that new vehicle. कोई बहुत दिमाग में आ रहा हो, मतलब जो भी है, life is going to be wonderful for you. I'm seeing that very clearly. So do not think negatively at all, क्योंकि everything that is happening, it is happening for a reason and everything happens in the right time. हमें लगता है कि ये इतना जल्दी होना चाहिए था, अभी तक हुआ क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि हम कई बार बहुत ज्यादा restless हो जाते हैं. So please meditate, try and calm down, spend time with yourself, spend time with God, and everything will be fine. And I'll see you next